Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am budgeting for the week. I'm going to be planning out $515 in my wallet and then on all my binders. So just gonna figure out how I'm gonna break up all this money for the week. I already know in my wallet I'm doing my original 170. I kind of did less the past couple weeks because I went to Costco, but this week I'm going back to my normal 170 amount. So spending is gonna get 30, groceries is getting 80, eating out is getting 30, coffee 20, and buffer is gonna get 10. So I already have the breakdown for my wallet, so I don't have to figure that out since it's always the same. All right, but now I'm gonna go into like sinking funds and savings challenges. Let me calculate here. Minus 170, which is 345. Okay, so I have 345 to work with. I'm actually gonna go to my savings binder first because there's a couple of things in here that I already pre-planned the last time I stuffed these. So the first one is this roll the dice challenge. I'm gonna do $9 in here, so I'm just gonna put 9 minus 9. The way this thing is, oh, I'm missing, I was like, why is this so wobbly? I'm missing the little rubber thing on the back. I need to fix that. Okay. So next is the 52 week. This week I'm doing 20, which is the highest amount in this challenge. So I'm gonna go back to 5 next week. But this week I'm doing just 20 in here, so minus 20. Okay, it's kind of annoying, so I'm gonna have to, let's see, get something to make this not be super wobbly. I think that'll be better. Okay. All right, it's a little tight, but I'll make it work. I think that works. Okay. So yeah, $20 there. And then I'm gonna come back to this because I have a couple more things I wanna figure out, but I first wanna do the other stuff. All right, so the first one is going to be this white one right here. Okay, let me make sure. Yeah, that's good. All right, so beauty. I actually have 52 in here. I want to buy some moisturizer, which is around $60, and I have a coupon to Ulta. So I should have enough after this week to buy that. So I'm just going to put 15 in this one. Disney. I'm going to Disney next weekend, so I do 15. So I'm gonna put 20. I have 81, so that's good. Family is going to get 20 as well. So I have 35. We're going for 2 days to Disney, so I wanted to get more in there, and I'm gonna be spending time with my family. Home decor, I'm just putting 5 in there. Content, I have 20, but I want to get more in here, so I'm gonna do 10. And then planner stuff, I'm gonna do 10 in here too. I was supposed to buy a new paper trimmer, but I haven't done that yet, so I want to probably get that soon. Target is going to get 10. They started putting out like a bunch of new fall stuff for like in the bullseye section, and so that's what I plan on, you know, maybe shopping in there for a bit. Household is going to get 10. Holiday decor, I have 20, so I'm just gonna put 5 in here. Costco isn't gonna get anything because I do whatever I have left over in my wallet from groceries, I will just stick in here. And I don't, honestly, I just did a run like last week, so I don't plan on shopping there probably for another month if I go. I'm not sure. But I have $30 in there, so that's pretty good. Oh yeah, I shouldn't have written Costco, but that's fine. Costco's not getting anything. Okay. Clothing is getting 10. I have 40. Okay. Extra debt. Okay. This one tends to be the one I put the highest amount in. You know, I'm trying to pay down that debt. I have less than $5 grand, which is pretty good because a few years ago I had like 20. So almost there. So extra debt, I'm going to do 30. And last month I was able to pay over $300 extra because I did this envelope. So that's really good. So yeah, that one's gonna get 30. I'm hoping I didn't mess up on my calculation over here. Sometimes that happens. But that's it for this one. And now I'm gonna go into this one right here. This one's like more the long-term type of binder. So I have electronics. I'm gonna put, I have 212 in here. I'm gonna put 15 in here. Okay. Auto repair is just going to get 5. I have a good amount so far, 130 in here. Furniture, I'm going to put 10. I found a coffee bar. That's the next thing I plan on buying with this. I found a little coffee bar cabinet that I want to buy. I think it's like 130, 140, somewhere around there. Gifts is going to get, okay, I'm doing 12 because I have 78 and I just want to like round it off. So I'm going to do 12 in here. Christmas is going to get 10. I have 320. Sorry, it stopped filming, so I don't know. Hopefully it didn't cut off too much. But emergency is getting 10, and I don't even remember if I did this. So I'm going to have to calculate all this again. Treat yourself is going to get the same amount I put in extra debt. I always match it. Okay, and that's it for this one. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is, I think I am right, so it should be good. Okay, so the next thing is in my savings binder, Go Wild. I'm going to put, like, I want to round this one off too. I'm at 937, so I want to do 23. 23 and Go Wild. Okay, I'm left with 61. I feel like I might have messed up somewhere though. So I'm just gonna recalculate this really quick since I think I might have messed up, but we'll double check. Okay, I did mess up because I was at 61. I'm sorry if it was cut off because I didn't notice if it was or not. But I was at 61, so I did forget to do that $10 when the video cut out. All right, so I'm left with $51. So I want to, oh wait, let me go in here. Let's see. Okay, my 100 envelope challenge. I think I don't have as much to work with, but I'm gonna go more in the middle, not in the middle, like more in this range. So I'm thinking $31 would be good. So I'll do 31 in this 100 envelope challenge. And then the rest will go into savings, which is 20. Okay, I think that's all right. Hopefully it's all right. I think it is though. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna move that aside so I can see it a little bit better. I'm going to figure out the denominations. This one's already figured out. So the next one is beauty, and I just do like the lowest one, so a 10 and a 5. Disney is a 20, 20, home decor 5, content 10. I have a bunch of 10s here, and then a 5. Nothing for Costco, and then 10, 30, 20 and a 10, 15, 10 and a 5, 5, 10. Okay, I have 12 for gifts, so that's going to be a 10 and 2 ones. 10 for Christmas, 5 for registration, 10, and then 30, so 20 and a 10. I have for go out, I have 23, so 20 and 3 ones. Roll the dice is 9, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 20. Okay, so on this one, I'm going to do the 31 first, so that's going to be 20, 31, and then the 20. That one's easy. Okay. Now I'm going to figure out how many denominations I need. So for 50, 1, 20s, I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 10s. 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 1s is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 ones. Okay, so now to figure out the bill quantities. So we have a 51. I'm sorry, I'm not writing 1. I'm writing 50. 50. Okay, and then for 20s, I have 11, so that's 220. 10s, I have 19, that's 190. 5s, I have 8, so that's 40. And then 1s, I have 15. Okay, now I'm going to calculate all of this. So 50, 220, 190, 40, and 15 is 515. All right, perfect. So that is what I'm going to be getting at the bank later today. I'm going to get 150, 11 20s, 19 10s, 8 5s, and 15 1s. All right, so that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please hit that subscribe button. I will have a cash stuffing tomorrow, so Sunday, with these amounts. So definitely stay tuned for that, and I hope you all enjoyed, and join me for the next one. So hope to see you then.